our terminal. To view the network interface configuration, we type ifconfig. Hit enter. Here we can see our network interface configuration. ETH0, it means it is our Ethernet network configuration. This is our MAC address. WLAN0, it is our inbuilt wireless adapter. It is now connected, so we can see here our IP address. I use external adapter relink. This is WLAN1. We use external Wi-Fi adapter for monitor mode. It is WLAN1. Can clear the screen. To see wireless network adapter configuration, we type iwconfig. Here we can see our external adapter in manage mode. So we turn it into monitor mode. First we have to disable our wireless adapter. To disable it, just type ifconfig adapter name and down. Ifconfig for wireless adapter name, which is WLAN1. WLAN. You don't have any error. It means it runs successfully. Before turn on monitor mode, we kill background process so it can't interfere with our interface during changing the mode. So type -ng check kill -ng check. Now we turn on monitor mode on our interface. To turn on monitor mode, we type iwconfig our interface name space mode space monitor. iwconfig interface name mode monitor. Hit enter. We try again. Now we enable our network interface. Interface name here we write down to disable it, so we write up to enable, and it's enabled. Now we check our interface is turned on in monitor mode or not. So type IW config. Here you can see our interface is now run on monitor mode. It means we can capture packets from air. Here we are not connected with any router or internet. Clear the screen. Type aircrack-ng interface name to sniff the packet. Here we see there are two routers near me. BSSID means it is the MAC address of router. Power means how strong connection are. This is the channel of router running on. This router has security WPA2. This is a encryption protocol. You can check that we are not connected to any router. To quit this process, press Ctrl+C. Now we capture the packets from air and write into any file. To sniff the packet, we write aircrack-ng --bss id. We want to sniff the packet from this router, so just copy BSS ID and paste it here. There's channel. We can see this router is running on channel 2. Type. We want to write this sniff data in any file, so we give the command write file name. You can give any name. I give ABC, and now interface name hit enter. Here we see this is our MAC address of router. Station means 4 devices are connected with the router, and this is the MAC address of that 4 devices. To quit this process, press Ctrl+C. With the ls command, we can see list of our directory and file. Here we see this ABC file are generated by our command aircrack-ng. This file contains the sniffing data. The 01 behind ABC is added by aircrack-ng. So when we try to open, we enter full name, means ABC-01. So we open this file in wireshark to view the data. Just type wireshark, hit enter. To open the file, go to the file, open, select ABC-01 cap, open. Here we see the packets. But this router has used WPA to encrypt the data. We can't read data here. But you can see we can get the chipset name. This is our router. You can see the MAC address here. TP-Link router. Here we see that ended by 7ECF. It means this MAC address is of any Apple device. Thank you guys.